everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be decorating the week of April 3rd through the 9th in my Skinny Classic Planner. I use this as my work log. I know a lot of people use this as an on-the-go planner. I don't have a need for that, so I use this as my work log. So this coordinates with my dashboard social media planner. There I make sure I have all the work listed for the week. Here I make sure I know what day the work happened on, what day the manicure happened on. This is DAM Nail Polish. My gosh, what was the name of this? I don't remember. Anyway, if I do a manicure, I mark it here, and then I know the things filmed after that, what nail polish I used. So my nail polish, my manicure is moved over to this planner. It just works so much better for me in that regard. So the theme I'm going with, a lot of the challenge themes this week have to do with Easter and of course spring. The Happy Planning Tips and Tricks HPTNT challenge, that's the challenge I run. It stems out of our Facebook group, the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks Facebook group, and Fuzzy and Furry. So that is a direct nod to Easter, but I like to give you options that can go toward the holiday, but also aren't super holiday specific. That way, if you don't celebrate Easter, you still have a theme that you can work with. So Fuzzy and Furry, and I will admit I had stickers in mind when I came up with that as an option. The Spring Collections Volume 2 from Amber Plans Her Day, which I just got, it just came out. I don't know if they're still available or not, but it has this bunch of stickers, and they are so stinking cute. They are all fuzzy furry, and I absolutely wanted to use them. They could be barnyard, they could be baby animals, they don't have to be Easter, but that's absolutely how I'm going to use them. I love her collections books because they have a little bit of everything. They have the deco, they have the coordinating boxes, and they have quotes too. So I think I might have used the Easter quotes if there were any, but then I also have her holiday quotes and boxes. This is from 2021, but I know I don't know if she reissued this or if it's I don't know if you can still get this or not. But anyway, as you can see, I've used it before. This is the Easter page, and oh my goodness, I definitely want to use this. I like to put my quote down here because I don't need this space for anything else. So I'm thinking, since it's kind of a big space, hand over the eggs and nobody gets hurt. I'm looking at the bigger quotes. A true friend is someone who thinks you're a good egg even if you're cracked. I kind of like that one. Maybe we should put that right here and then something tall to help mask this whiteout. Let's do it. And then I want to try to remember, shout at me, make sure I remember we're going wonky boxes this week. So let's just start by putting this here, wonky. I don't know if we're going to use any more of these or not. We shall see. Okay, let's come back to our deco. And I'm going to try to use a lot of these boxes this week too. Like these, although I did pull the yellow and brown books from Mojo Jojo Plans to help augment with that. Look at this baby bunny. He's tall. Let's put him right here. And that should help mask that whiteout. He's so cute. If we put him a little wonky too, his little ear. There. Oh my gosh. Doesn't look like he needs a true friend. So stinking cute. Okay, let's go big box, big box, big box. Or big box, big box, big box. Because I have these three colors here. So yeah, let's go one, maybe two. No. All right. Anyway, we're going to use these three big boxes. Wonky. Yes. There. So we're going to do deco, deco. So this one would need to come here or here. Well, I think I want this one to be here for sure. And I want to turn it opposite of this one. Otherwise it'll be a very matchy-matchy thing. And so then this one's going to need to go here. And I wanted the yellow one here because there's no yellow here, so I wanted to get that mixed in. All right, we need, oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Since we've got yellow there, let's put brown here. I love this guy. I want him right there. Oops. So cute. Okay. Excuse me. I feel like we need some yellow with this one because I've got brown and brown. So let's grab one of these yellow chicks. Let's grab this one. He's bigger. Like he's watching what we're doing like a hawk. Okay. And then let's do, let's see, I don't know if I want a yellow box here because I've got yellow right there. You know what, we could do a mixture. We can do a stack up of little boxes. And we probably should since we've got big, big, big. So we can use a bunch of these little boxes. Maybe these little bunnies right here because they are almost pinky orange. Although I've got these guys too, and they're quite a bit different because they're kind of grays and brown, blacks. Maybe these guys. Yes. Okay. So let's build a stack up of little boxes. I'm going to speed it up while I do this and just kind of do a stack up, and then I can put my bunnies on there. And I just realized I'm putting these boxes on there straight, but that's okay. They don't all have to be wonky, just as long as some of them are. That looks really cute so far. Okay. Something here. Is that where I was going to put these guys? The orangey, peachy ones? Can they sit right there? Kinda. Not quite. Maybe we'll do similar to this. Maybe we'll do this last dark brown box over here. And then these guys can sit on top of it. Yep. And then we'll go slightly larger with these. And then I don't think this size is going to quite fit there, so maybe one more little, but we'll grab this, we'll grab from here, because I think other than the super dark, I think these match okay. Yeah, and you know what? I didn't need to overlap this. So let's undo it because none of the other ones are overlapped. We need somebody for right there. This guy. I kind of want yellow again. Maybe these two. Maybe they'll fit there. They actually fit there really well. Okay. And then deco here and deco here. And there's definitely, I really want to use these two together, and I really want to use this guy because it's so stinking cute. So to make that happen, I need to decide, do I want one more big box here? I can pull this other brown or a yellow. Oh, there's two more little guys. Let's grab, I don't think the yellows really out of the yellow book work. I think they're too vibrant. Those are very, very soft. Although this yellow might work. But I really don't have that color anywhere. That's almost soft enough. That could work. But then, okay, so now the problem I run into is both yellows are on this page and both browns are on this page. So, but it's a different color yellow. But then if I do yellow, yellow, I have yellow, yellow. What I really need is brown, yellow. Yeah, brown, yellow. Or yellow, brown. So this one, okay, let's see if we can get this guy up. Yay! Okay, so we're gonna put this guy up here. The big boxes are the only wonky ones. I understand that, but that's okay. Let's put one of these yellows here. That's close enough. That works okay. Okay, so I need to figure out who's going on this page and how he's going on there. This needs to go this way for sure. I could almost put this guy laying on top of the box. I just love him. He makes me think of like Thumper from Bambi. Because he just looks like he's having so much fun. Ooh, what if I put him this way? Because he could go pretty much in any direction. I kind of want to... Oh, you know what? I do. I need to put this over here anyway so that the bunnies aren't right over top of each other. I almost messed that up. I get a cat hair under there. Of course I did. Jasper. So cute. All right. So then last but not least, the sticker's a little curly. I wanted to put these guys on there. And they need to be over here. They need to sit on boxes, you know? They're perfect for sitting on boxes. So I think this size, and one more over here. Let's just build our boxes around them. That works okay. That is super cute. I love it. I did also then pull a couple of super cheap washies. I got these in a box of different washies that I ordered off of Amazon that was all animals. And so it's got these little chicks. And I think this one is ducks. Since I've got a couple chicks, although, you know what, I just looked over here and realized I have 0 chicks on this side, not a single one. We need to fix that. Okay, so one thing we can do is maybe squeeze somebody in here, up here, like that guy. He's super, super yellow. Let's put that guy up there. I think he'll fit. That breaks the pattern a little bit, but I'm not too concerned. And then I was thinking I could put some of these guys on there. Yeah, there are no duckies on here. Let's do a couple of these little duckies. And so they're spaced nice and wide, so I can just kind of rip in between and use them almost like little individual stickers. So especially where there are places where I have space, where I have a lot of brown. Stick. There we go. This guy. I like it because this white part of this washi is practically clear, so I think I want this guy to be paired with someone else. And this guy should have a buddy. Let's keep putting buddies with everybody. Although they do have the other ones too. Like the bunnies are there. One more with this guy and we'll be done. He's even facing the right way. There. That's cute. I like it. I never would have thought I would do just a yellow and brown spread, but it definitely works. So, where did my, here it is. So for this side, I'm just going to put it in. Since this is the first week in this planner though, I don't use any of this stuff, and I'm not going to save these to reuse. So I'm going to go all the way around this page, even in between the punches with some tape runner. I accidentally pulled an extra page out. All right, and then we're going to line these up and stick them together. Make sure I get everybody right side up. I'm going to line up really carefully around the punches. I don't want there to be resistance to turning. So as long as I line up the punch holes perfectly, we'll be okay. There we go. There's my fuzzy furry Easter spread in my skinny work log planner. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to have fun with your skinny. I absolutely had a discovery this week. Not every box needs to be wonky in order to have a fun effect, as long as it's balanced. So basically every other box, every other space is wonky, and I think it works fine. I think it looks great. So if you like this video, please do consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me. Thank you.